Imagine you're a contractor working on a project, perhaps for a company based in Germany, Dubai, or right here in India. You have just landed a major construction deal, but the client says, "We will release an advance payment only if you can guarantee that the work will be completed as agreed." Whether the project is local or international, one thing never changes: trust. And that is precisely where a framework like URDG 758 becomes relevant, cutting across industries and borders. So now you are left wondering, how do you establish that trust with someone who has never worked with you before? That is where a demand guarantee comes in. Your bank steps in on your behalf and gives a formal promise to the other party that if you fail to fulfill your commitment, the bank will make the payment. Simple enough in theory, right? But in practice, the moment a claim is raised, even a single misunderstood clause can result in losses running into crores of rupees. And that is the real problem we see playing out time and again in global trade. Hello everyone, I'm Ravneet and welcome to my channel Ravneet Knowledge Bites. Today I'm bringing you something truly powerful and practical. I'm intending to start with an exclusive series built around the rules published by ICC, International Chambers of Commerce, known as URDG 758, that is Uniform Rules for Demand Guarantees. The goal of the series is not simply to walk you through theory. The goal is to give you real working knowledge, the kind you can actually apply in your professional life starting from day one. What makes the series stand out is that we will cover all 35 articles of URDG 758 one by one. Every article gets its own dedicated video, broken down in plain, straightforward English with practical, real-world examples that makes the concept absolutely clear. The series is designed for everyone who is a part of the trade ecosystem, be it bankers, trade finance professionals, exporters, importers, consultants, lawyers, and the students. Demand guarantees are widely used across the world today, yet a genuine understanding of how they work remains surprisingly rare. So that gap in knowledge is what leads to disputes, costly delays, and avoidable financial losses. The series is built to close that gap and serve as a go-to reference for anyone, anywhere who wants to get it right. So to make this initiative as far-reaching as possible, I'm launching the series in two formats. One in Hinglish for an accessible and relatable learning experience, and one in full complete English for a global audience, so this knowledge can reach out to trade professionals across the world. The vision is clear: to create a platform where complex rules like URDG 758 are made simple, practical, and genuinely easy to use. So if you are already a part of the trade world, or if you are looking to build your place in it, the series will give you a strong and relatable foundation. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, Ravneet Knowledge Bites, and explore the dedicated playlists, the Trade Bites English and the Trade Bites Hindi. So you can join this journey right from the very beginning. The first video of the series goes live this Tuesday, April 14th, 2026. So tune in and I will see you there. Thank you.